Hello everyone and welcome to 2020 Trading. My name is Kunle and I'm just going to show you a recap of a trade or two trades I made today that made me $271.75. So I had about 6 stocks on my watch list. 2 of them I traded. I traded Twitter. The ticker symbol is TWTR. I mean, everyone knows Twitter, right? Twitter, and the other one was a regional bank, ticker symbol ALLY. Now the reason I traded ALLY is because it had earnings report today. It had its earnings report, its quarterly earnings report for Q1 today, and I did a quick fundamental analysis on the stock. I thought it was a really good stock with good potential, and I knew that the price had already been beaten down because of COVID-19, etc. So I had it on watch for that reason. So let's see, I'm just playing it back now. And so my first trade was on Twitter. Now I didn't want to put too much money into Twitter because I knew Twitter wasn't going to make a big move. It didn't have any catalyst, nothing, but I just wanted to so I placed a trade, 40 shares of Twitter. I got filled at 26.37. And I just went on to look for another opportunity. So I just kept looking for an opportunity to get into any of the other stocks that I had on my watch list, but I didn't get anything until so this is ALLY, and I actually had 2 lines here. Now these are lines of support and resistance. These lines are what I call them lines of structure. So here this line would be support, right? So ideally I should have gotten in here, but again, they say hindsight is 2020. So I had these lines, 2 lines there. I didn't get in there. And at this point, I thought it was a little bit extended. I didn't want to get in here because the risk was just a bit too much. So I said to myself, I'm going to keep this stock on watch, right? I'm going to keep it on watch. And anytime I find a pullback, right? If I find a pullback, I'm going to get it. And that's what I did in the end. But I didn't get that pullback until quite a while. So I'm going to move this to the point where I finally found a low risk entry into this stock, even though it was way far above where I should have gotten in. So around here, finally around here, right? So around here I saw the pullback. Now let me explain the pullback to you. This pullback, right, what it means is that all the people who bought here, let's look at the 2-minute chart. The people who bought here around the 14.25, at this point they're selling, right? So they're selling here. Now what I was waiting for is I was waiting to see whether other new buyers are going to come in and step up to the plate and defend that price right here. That's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for people, new buyers, right? So the old buyers bought it there. The new buyers should come in and step up to the plate and defend the price, right? So that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for that confirmation. At this point, the confirmation wasn't there, so I didn't get in. But I was just waiting. If this thing holds that level, it means the new buyers are coming in. They're stepping in and they're stepping up to the plate and they're defending that price. So once I started to see this, I said, yes, this is the point where you say yes. The new buyers are coming in. So I said, okay, I'm going to buy 1,000 shares, right? So I tried to buy 1,000 shares right there. But what happened was I forgot that I didn't have enough buying power to buy 1,000 shares. So I didn't get the fill. Right? So I tried to buy 1,000 shares. I didn't get the fill. It basically said your market order of 1,000 shares was rejected, right? So I said, okay, I'll reduce it to 500, and boom. This time around, I got filled. I got filled at $15.26. Nice. Okay, so immediately I had a mental stop loss. My mental stop loss was about 10 cents away. So my mental stop loss was about $15.16. So I was willing to risk 10 cents a share for that trade. But yes, it did exactly what I was expecting it to do, which is to go to new high of day. So it went to new high of day and it just carried on. So I'm going to fast forward again to the point where I was thinking about getting out. So at this point, I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's time to get out, right? Because I'm thinking, okay, now this has to be the final push, because this stock is extended. Look at all these green candles, green, one small red, green. You have a small red here, and now you have all these big green candles. At some point it's going to get to a point of exhaustion, and you have to get out. Right now, this is based on experience. I've seen this happen over and over again so many times, countless times, right? You have to get out here. It's extended. You have to take profit. So I was saying to myself, I need to take profit, right? So I was ready to take profit, but I wanted to milk everything. I wanted to take the last juice out of it. I should have gotten out there, but I waited a little bit, and it pulled back just a little bit. And then I got out. But yeah, it was I think it was a decent scalp, if you like. Somewhere there, I got out somewhere there, somewhere here. Yes, so that was it. I was out at $15.79. So I was in at $15.26 and out $15.79. That's about 53 cents per share. That's not bad for an hour's work. Okay, I still had Twitter. I still had 40 shares of Twitter, so I believe I got out of that. So I got out of the Twitter trade as well. Yeah, so I had 40 shares in Twitter right there. So I just put in the order there and sell. Yeah, so the order was filled, and the overall profit for the day was $271.75. So that's how you make $271 in 1 hour. If you like that video, click on the subscribe button. Also, click on the like button and share with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to click on the notification button so you get to receive the notification every time I upload a video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment below. I'll come back and answer it later. Thanks for watching. Bye.